Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can insert logo into CapCut PC. You can either drag it from your folder and add it here, or you can also select the import button, and you're just going to want to select the logo. Okay, my PC is kind of lagging right now, so I'm also trying to find it. Let me just sort by date. I did that already. I don't know why it's not sorting. Okay, here we go. So just double click on it and you're just going to add it to any video that you want to add logo to. For instance, this video. And you're just going to drag the logo on top like so. Don't know why it's not showing up. Okay, there you go. I think it's still loading. Make sure it's a PNG or else it's going to look like this. Or you can go to blend mode and choose the darken one and it's going to add this overlay. Or again, make sure you save it as PNG like this one. I don't know why I didn't save it as PNG, the other one, but yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box. Whoops, down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.